I asked him once and he said yes.
So you just come to pay a visit or what?
Yeah, I'm from Austin. I watch your court every day.
Really?
On YouTube. I find it very inspiring. I've been watching Time Served for years. Can I shout out to Phil?
Yes, he's here. He's here watching.
Oh, how you doing? I just find it very inspiring, the work you guys do here. And I've been a big court watcher for a long time, and I really appreciate you letting me come up and say hello to you.
Of course, yeah. And I'm sorry that we didn't let you in initially.
I think there was a
I was
misunderstanding.
confused. I didn't understand.
Yeah,
It doesn't matter. Regardless, it's an open forum. So everybody should be allowed to come in, and we usually just only restrict to those who are kind of disruptive or, in the beginning, we used to only to defendants, but I think people like to watch. So I like them to come in. Now, if there's too many to where defendants are not able to come in, that's a different thing. But it's never like that. So, realistically, come, have fun.
Time served.
I don't know about fun, but
Time Served responded to you and said, "What's up, dude?"
Thanks. Yeah, I'm gonna be back tomorrow. So
sure,
Nice.
yeah, come anytime. Yeah,
I appreciate it.
We start at 9 watching.
This one goes out to all my court nerds, and especially the court nerd in the red shirt in court number 5 today, and the entire Judge Fleischer staff. Thank you for watching. See you soon, Judge. Let's roll, nerds.
Hello, how you doing?
No, sir, please
I'm
stop.
Brandon Strong.
Please stop, sir. Please stop. Please stop. Please stop. Didn't ask you to unmute. I muted you. You unmuted. I didn't ask you. So please stop. Please accept to join the breakout room, and a lawyer will come in to speak with you. All right, and then Ms. Hall, are we ready on my instructions in that breakout room? I can't imagine that he came out linked up like that, arms folded, after he just talked to the lawyer. I can't imagine it. But let me focus on Miss Griffin.
You were in the hospital.
Hey man, I'll just see you August 29th.
Welcome back to Time Served, the channel that scans the docket so you don't have to. And some people just find it so difficult to just be quiet. I don't understand why they blab themselves into deeper crap than they were originally in the first place. Oh well, I guess this is why our dodo bird here ends up in the Fleischer Dome and in quite the pickle. And we shall see why this ex-salami slinging disgruntled subway employee may be on his way to a contempt charge. I'll be live with Judge Fleischer this week. Look out for that promo. Don't forget to like and subway. Set your notifications to all. It's turkey and cheese on a roll, nerds. Oh god, that was terrible. Let's go.
It's a Subway.
I guess you got fired from Subway? What happened?
No, I don't want to work past.
Good morning, Mr. Ribbo. So you were charged with theft. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and/or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during any questions and interviews.
Yes, what's the probable cause?
We're going to do probable.
Okay, sorry.
Listen, I'm trying to give you your warnings. I see the wheels turning. You're trying to think of something, but then you're not going to listen. So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during any questions and interviews with the state of Texas. If you cannot afford a lawyer will be appointed to represent you. Okay, please.
Yes, Judge, on February 26, 2024, officers were dispatched to a theft call for service in Harris County, Texas. The call slip stated that a former employee, the defendant, took between $700 and $800 worth of supplies, including a vacuum sweeper, and would not return it. Officers made contact with the complainant, who stated that on January 29, 2024, she fired the defendant for consuming alcohol on the dock. The complainant stated she contacted the defendant and notified him he was fired and that he had to return all items issued to him. Complainant stated she called and texted the defendant on February 2nd, 2024, requesting the defendant return all cleaning supplies. But the defendant did not respond to the text or calls.
It's really loud. I didn't get the half of it. So where did he work? Yeah, if you don't mind starting over, I guess, please.
On February 26, 2024, officers were dispatched to a theft call for service in Harris County, Texas. The call slip stated a former employee, which was the defendant, took between $700 and $800 worth of supplies, including a vacuum sweeper, and would not return it. Officers made contact with the complainant, who stated that on January 29, 2024, she fired the defendant for consuming alcohol on the job. Complainant stated she contacted the defendant and notified him that he was fired and that he had to return all the items issued to him. Complainant stated that she called and texted the defendant on February 2nd, 2024, requesting that the defendant return all cleaning supplies, but the defendant did not respond to her texts or calls. Complainant went to the defendant's residence on February 3rd and questioned the defendant regarding the location of the cleaning supplies. The defendant stated they were at a friend's house, but would not provide the address to the friend's house. Complainant then sent the defendant a letter on February 5th, requesting the defendant return all supplies. By February 26, 2024, he had failed to do so, and that is when the complainant contacted the sheriff's office. Officers made contact with the defendant, who admitted to being in possession of the cleaning supplies. The complainant positively identified the defendant by his photograph on his Texas driver's license. The defendant does not have a criminal history, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Verboten, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. I'm ordering you now, as a condition of your bond, not to have any contact with the complaining witness in this case.
May I ask a question?
Sure.
What is the probable cause?
Just went through the probable cause.
That's not probable. I don't think it's probable cause. I haven't stolen anything.
Okay.
I went on vacation and she filed charges of theft.
You
I've
have
not
the
stolen
right to remain silent, Mr. Verboten. Exercise that right. We will give you the opportunity to go get a lawyer.
Okay. But I've not stolen anything.
All right.
Sorry.
You have your opinion. There's always two sides to the story, right? They have their opinion. They've evidenced and thought that that's enough to bring charges against you. That's why we have jury trials. 6 independent people will listen to what happened, get apprised of the law, and then may render a judgment.
So what did I steal?
They're saying cleaning supplies in a vacuum. Is that right?
What's the list of things I've stolen? If I might ask, what's the list of things I've stolen?
What's your question?
If I might ask, what's the list of things that I've stolen?
Get you the list at the moment. For now, this is just a preliminary hearing to see if there's enough evidence to go on. I think that there is.
Okay.
What was the value of everything? Do they
Can you
say?
please list each item, please, sir?
Hey.
I'm sorry. I'll stop.
I'm not going to let you try to control this hearing.
I'm not trying to control. I haven't stolen anything, sir.
Listen,
I'll stop. Sorry. Sorry. I'm just confused is all. Why is this happening?
You had a job.
Yes.
You were fired from the
On
job.
a vacation. I have proof I went on vacation, sir.
Mr. Verboten, I don't want to have to hold you in contempt.
I'll stop talking.
I'm trying to really explain to you what happened, why they're charging you with theft.
Okay, I'm just curious. Sorry about that. I'll stop talking. I'll let you continue. Sorry. I'm sorry.
Fired from the job.
Okay.
As part, you were supposed to return their property to them. They're alleging you didn't. They gave you multiple opportunities to return it. As a result, due to the value of what they say you kept, that's why they charge you with theft. Now, you have your story. That's why we have defense lawyers and others who can help you out.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Value, Your Honor, was between $700 and $800.
How much?
$700 to $800.
700 to 800. Okay. I thought you said 2,700.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. So, Mr. Bobo, how old are you now?
28, sir.
What do you do for a living?
I do upholstery.
How much money do you make a month?
About 3,000.
Okay. So we're going to give you an opportunity to go hire a lawyer now.
Okay.
I'm going to reset your case. The only thing I'm asking you to do are 2 things. Don't get in trouble, meaning don't pick up any new cases.
Okay.
Number 2, don't try to contact the complaining witness. If I find that you do, I will revoke your bond. You will not get any more PR bonds.
Okay, it's just a vacuum that's stolen or what?
And chemicals.
Chemicals?
And that's what it, right?
Chemicals?
It lists supplies. I didn't go into the full details.
Can
But
we,
you're on a discovery, it's being,
Throughout discovery,
okay,
you will get a list of everything that they allege.
understand.
So for now, I'm gonna have you go to Victoria. We'll have you sign a reset. After that, I'm just gonna have you take a seat in the jury box. We'll get your bond conditions. We'll have you sign it. And after that, you'll be free to go.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Please.
Right this way.
just a no contact zone.
Right, no contact. And then, I think I said something else. What? Oh, no new cases.
Property right there.
Mr. Hightower?
There's no problem, just set all the property right there.
Sir,
Good morning.
you have a lawyer today.
No, sir, I don't. I don't think I need one. Forgive me for saying that, but the original police report decriminates me. Can I read?
No,
Okay, it's fine.
case you need a lawyer to represent you.
Sorry, can't afford one.
What do you do for in life, sir?
So to give you background who I am, you can Google my name, come Kids Harbor. That's an orphanage. I don't have anything. I don't have no one. So please say I cannot afford a lawyer. You understand that?
I don't want to talk about the case. I just want to know, do you work? What do you do for a living?
I just got a job, okay, and I have an apprenticeship. I don't make that much money, okay? Can't afford a lawyer. That's all I'm saying.
What's your apprenticeship?
Wall Street.
Well,
Yes, sir.
how much money do you make a month?
I just started, but it's probably around 1,200.
What were you doing before that?
Subway, 5 years. At Subway.
Okay. I guess you got fired from Subway? What happened?
No, I don't want to work past Subway 5 years, so what I look like. And I mean, I'm not trying to be rude, but working at Subway for 5 years, it does something to you. Okay, so I quit because, I'm being honest, I quit Subway because it's 5 years of Subway. What am I going to do? You know,
I
can't blame me for that.
agree with you.
That was
Why are you opening up my sandwich and touching
Because I
it
want
with your
to.
bare hands?
I don't have.
But I mean, like, that's pretty much me right now. But if I can just explain, if you let me explain, can I explain the police report? Because it decriminates me, Sarah.
I'll give you a lawyer today.
Okay.
I'll have you speak to the lawyer. The lawyer can give your side to the DAs and then they can try to work something out for you, okay? So just hang tight. I do need you to fill out an application for me. I don't know if I have one. Let me just check it out.
Be the prosecution.
Sir.
You're not allowed to
Oh, that's
talk.
all okay. Because it literally decriminates me, sir. Okay.
Speak to the attorney when you get appointed.
So I need an application for you to fill out. Once you fill it out, I'll take a look at it. I'll grant it for you and then I'll have you speak to a lawyer here momentarily, okay?
Same day or do I have to
Today?
come up?
Yeah, today. It'll be a while because we have to find one, but just be patient. But I'll have you speak to someone today, okay? Stephen, do you mind giving an application? Okay.
So you're gonna come over here. Sign. You're gonna sign right there.
Sign for the reset, please.
Still have a piece of paper.
Yes, I'll print it out for you.
Hightower says he'll need 600.
I'm not trying to see, but I like reading.
Sorry. Thank you. Go ahead and have a seat. Your primary translation. Page 8, Dixon.
And I'll just appoint someone else. She has no bond violation, that's the problem. If you want to stay on it, or if you want to,
Have a seat. Have a seat, sir.
take it.
Can I get my? No. I can't handle paper? Are you joking? I'm getting sued over Don Disso. Look at the paperwork, Don Disso.
Do you mind staying on? I'm sorry, I had someone come up to me.
One pair of pants later.
Hey,
How's it going?
good.
I'll behave.
All we want you to do, Mr. Rabode, is give your side to Mr. Slider. Okay, he will help you work with this case so it can get the best result possible. Okay, understand that we don't appreciate when people come from over there all the way over here because it's very possible that I didn't even see that you were here.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to sneak up on you. I'm
The
sorry.
problem is that not everybody is as nice as you. What happens if someone comes and tries to attack me here? You know what I mean?
I'm sorry if that's ever happened.
So that's why it scares me.
Okay.
You come up this way. I didn't even see you until Steven looks at me and starts darting this way. I didn't even see you, and it scared the crap out of me.
Well, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to scare you, sir. Okay.
It's okay. And look, I don't think you mean any ill will. Otherwise, you wouldn't be here, right? But
Oh, I debated not coming because this is scary. Like, it's scary being here. I don't like being here.
what I meant was, if I thought you meant ill will, I would already have you in jail.
Okay.
Right.
I appreciate you not locking me up. Thank you.
Of course not. I don't want to lock you up. I don't want to put you in jail. I don't want anything bad to happen to you. Just understand, we have a certain way that we handle things here, right?
May I say something?
Not about the case.
It's not about the case. I just want to say, and it's in the paperwork, I've already been in jail over this. I've been put in jail over the weekend. I have the paperwork from the first time I went to jail. And, you know, I'm kind of curious why I went to jail because I didn't do anything.
I'm going to let Mr. Slider explain that to you, okay? So just be wary that all I need you to do at this point is stay in contact with him. I'm going to waive the appearance for the next time. You don't have to come here. Okay? All I'm asking you to do is stay in contact with him. If he comes back to me though and tells me he can't get a hold of you, I will issue a warrant. And I'm going to tell you, I will not give you any more PR bonds. So all you have to do is stay in contact with him. And if you do, good things will happen for you. And one more thing, don't pick up any new cases.
I'll try not to. I won't.
I don't think you will, but just remember, not everybody's patient, okay? Anyways, all right. Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, please. Mr. Road, best of luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
For sure. Victoria, do you have a reset ready for Mr. Vivode?
I'll gather all your stuff.
Can we just make it the salad?
Salad?
Yeah,
What are you talking about? Salad?
salad's good.
Oh, sour. I thought you said salad. Wait, I thought Mr. D, didn't you get his case?
Waiting for Ms. D to get it.
Yeah, I can ask them to do it, but I gotta wait for them to.
Oh, you haven't gotten it yet.
I haven't gotten it.
For some reason, the first lawyer we appointed to you, I guess he just didn't want to do it. I don't know. So we took him off. We have to reappoint you someone else, and that's what's taking a little bit longer.